So by this time, you guys should have access to my creators GPT. Thank you guys for your support. So today we are going to show you how to use the content summarizer expert. So this is one of my most popular ones. It basically summarizes your content for social media pages. Start by pasting the article here. So I already have a TechCrunch article here on AI isn't and won't soon be evil or even smart, but it's also irreversibly pervasive. So I will basically copy this article and just have to paste in the content here, and let's see what it says. So here we have article summary. It will summarize the content of the article that I have put in. So the article discusses the current state and implication of AI, particularly large language models like ChatGPT. It argues that AI is moving beyond its hype phase into more practical applications, often used even in unsuitable contexts. The article criticizes the extreme views on AI, labeling them as distractions from discussing its real impacts. All right, so that's that. So basically, how I instruct this summarizer expert to do is to create LinkedIn caption, Instagram caption. So the LinkedIn caption will be much longer. It's a longer form one. The Instagram one is much shorter. And then the Twitter one is much shorter because it has a 280 character limit if you are on the free version of X. So this is what it summarizes into. So for the LinkedIn snippet, it's exploring the realistic impacts of AI beyond the hype and doomerism. AI, particularly large language models like ChatGPT, has seamlessly integrated into our daily tasks, automating work-related communication with efficiency, but with occasional inaccuracies. Blah, blah, blah. Next one is Instagram. AI true colors, moving past the hype. AI like ChatGPT is reshaping how we handle daily tasks. Think less sci-fi, more practicality. Blah blah blah. And Twitter is much shorter. AI's journey from hype to reality. ChatGPT and its keen are subtly reshaping our work in and info sharing habits. Blah blah. So it does have hashtags, emojis included, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, that's it. That's how I use the content summarizer expert. Basically, just have to attach the article, the content of the article into this GPT right here, and it will just summarize them for you into this social media post. What you can do right here is you can take this caption and then just straight away post in your social media. All right, so if you guys are interested in knowing how I create these GPTs, the specific prompts and the instructions I've used, subscribe to my newsletter where I'll go through all of them. So link below. All right, we'll see you there.